Today at lunch we're having egg salad, whole grain, whole wheat pita bread, pineapple that I was able to get in fresh, and then kale salad with also utilizing some fresh kale. I'm always constantly doing something. Like you're always, kitchen jobs, you always want to be 1 or 2 steps ahead, otherwise you end up behind. I had a parent, she said, Brent, I just want to thank you. She said, for the menus that you put together, because she said, I can readily admit that our kids don't always eat real well at home. She said, I know when they're coming here that they're getting good quality, nutritious food. And that is honestly the biggest compliment I think anybody in this line of work could receive. CACFP held a mentor training, I believe it was last August, and I attended as a mentor, and a mentee that I had, she actually contacted me just a couple of weeks ago and said, hey Brent, our current kitchen staff is gonna be retiring. Is there any way we could arrange a day that I could come shadow you for a day? And I thought, absolutely. I can assure you there will be something that you can gain from someone at some point in time by attending one of these trainings. And if you got a question, call each other up, email each other. You can't put a value on it. It's absolutely huge. We all have the same goal. We all want happy, healthy kids. You will learn something. I can guarantee you will learn something, even if it's only one thing. You'll pick up something that maybe you didn't know about, or maybe there was a recent change, or you'll have a conversation with somebody at another center and they're telling you about how maybe they do something and you're like, hey, that's a good idea. I should try to implement that. The parents and the families, they will notice. They will notice, and it does make a difference, and the work that you're doing every single day does make a difference.